Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change farm name in Heyday. To change your farm's name in Heyday is super simple. First of all, launch Open Heyday application on your device and log in. From the homepage of Heyday, go to the top left corner and tap on your three horizontal menu button and click Settings. Once you're inside the settings page, click on the Change Farm Name button and now go ahead and erase your current name and type down a new name. Go ahead and tap the tick mark once you are done. Once you do that, you will be able to change your farm's name to your preference. To check if your farm name has been updated, go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal menu button and click Settings. Now click on Change Farm Name again and you'll see your name displayed in the page. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.